In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel my subscription from Hootsuite. First, you will start by opening your Hootsuite account. Once you are signed in, look for the area that shows your account settings or account options. The goal in this first moment is to reach the section where you can manage your subscription. Different screens can look slightly different depending on your device or the version you are using, but the path will be very similar. When you are ready, select Account. This is where Hootsuite groups the tools that affect your billing and plan details, so it is the correct place to begin. After you select Account, you should see more choices related to your membership and plan. Next, select Plan and Billing. This step matters because cancellation and billing changes are handled under the plan settings. If you are currently on a paid subscription, this is where Hootsuite will show information about what you have access to and what billing is currently set up. Take a moment to confirm that the page you are on is indeed the plan and billing page, since that is where the option to manage your subscription will be located. Now that you have reached the plan and billing area, you will need to go one level deeper. Select Billing Information. This section typically displays the billing details for your account, such as what is associated with your plan and how payments are configured. You are not changing your payment method in this video. You are simply reaching the area where subscription controls live. It helps to scroll just enough to make sure you can see the billing controls and any subscription management buttons. Once you are in Billing Information, your next action is to find the subscription management option. Select Manage My Subscription. This step is the key part of the process because it takes you away from general billing details and into the specific controls for your plan. On this screen, Hootsuite often shows the current status of your subscription and provides actions you can take related to updating or canceling. You should be able to view the current subscription information clearly, including whether there is an active plan tied to your account. When you open Manage My Subscription, you will see where cancellation lives. There you should see a Cancel Subscription option. In some cases, you may notice that there is a message or that the button is not available because you already have no active subscription. For example, if you do not have any current subscription, you may see that cancellation is listed as an available control, but it may indicate that you do not currently have a subscription to cancel. This can be completely normal, and it simply means your account is already not on an active plan. Take a moment to review what the screen shows you at this point. If you do have an active subscription, the Cancel Subscription option is the control you would use to stop future billing. If you do not have any currently active subscription, the page may still display the cancellation option, or it may explain that there is nothing to cancel right now. Either way, the important thing is that you have reached the correct location for cancellation. Finally, after you have confirmed the status on that page, you can exit the billing area or return to your account page depending on what you prefer. The most important result is that you have navigated to the subscription cancellation control and you now understand where to look. And that covers everything you need to know.